Introducing the XL Chillum, the most enjoyable way to smoke your favorite herbs. The XL Chillum is 4.25 inches long and 16 millimeters thick. It also features a larger bowl capable of carrying 0.4 grams. To use the XL Chillum, start by packing the bowl with the herb of your choice. Now that the bowl is ready, light the herb and inhale in. To clean the XL Chillum, start by submerging it in a bag of isopropyl alcohol. Then shake the bag and allow to soak for an hour. Afterwards, remove the XL Chillum, then rinse with water and allow to air dry. XL Glass Chillums by White Rhino. Buy the XL Chillum now and improve your smoking experience at whiterhinoproducts.com or visit your local retailer.